Hi guys, I just got home from taping and look at these stuff. These are the stuffs that I got from last night and I never had them all. I literally just got home. Okay, first of all is this cute little Rabin keychain. I was really confused about this because she handed one with Angela to Rabin and she handed this to me. So I thought maybe it's on purpose para ano kami like matchy. That's cute. I'll look at this one first because it has a very cute ribbon. I'm gonna keep this. This is so cute. Maraming salamat. Alamin mo to, ramen, charot. I hope you like the tulips bouquet and the mini Alice doll. Enjoy small treats na kasama ng box. We love you. Charmaine, Angelo, Mary, Charniel, Anongo family of Batangas. You guys are from Batangas. Oh my gosh. Ang layo pa yung biyahe nyo. Thank you so much. I haven't seen the... Oh wait, I have. Yung tulip po ba is yung crochet? So pretty. Thank you po for the tulip bouquet. So I don't see yung tulips aside from that. Yung may lollipops. I actually removed the lollipops. Ito yung lollipops ko kasi kapag mayroong bouquet na regalo sa akin, pinipicturean ko siya sabay diretso alay na sa altar. If you don't know guys, I'm a Catholic, so